The Eakins microscope boasts a powerful 7 by 45x super wide zoom magnification range, providing users with exceptional versatility for inspecting intricate details on various objects, from PCBs to delicate components. Featuring high-resolution optics with excellent flatness and contrast, the microscope delivers sharp, clear images that reveal fine details crucial for precise work. This is complemented by a bright 144 LED illumination system, ensuring optimal visibility and reducing eye strain during prolonged use. Equipped with a trinocular head inclined at 45 degrees and capable of 360-degree rotation, the microscope allows for comfortable viewing and seamless integration of the included camera system, facilitating simultaneous observation and documentation. Designed for extended use, the microscope includes adjustable diopters and interpupillary distance, along with rubber eye guards, to accommodate individual user preferences and reduce fatigue. Built with robust, all-metal mechanical component and steel gears on the focusing holder, the microscope ensures stability and precise positioning. The large working distance provides ample space for maneuvering objects under inspection, enhancing operational efficiency. Supported by a sturdy, chrome-plated steel stand with a sizable base, vertical pillar height of 380 mm, and horizontal movement of 235 mm, the microscope offers flexibility in positioning and stability for various inspection tasks. Ideal for a wide range of applications including PCB inspection, soldering, biological specimen analysis, and jewelry examination, the Eakins Simul-Focus stereo zoom microscope represents a significant advancement in optical technology. Its combination of powerful magnification, superior optics, ergonomic design, and camera integration makes it a valuable tool for professionals seeking precision and reliability in their work.